I am sitting in the morning at the diner on the corner. I am waiting at the counter for the man to pour the coffee, and he fills it only halfway. And before I even argue, he is looking out the window at somebody coming in. To the woman who has come in, she is shaking her umbrella, and I look the other way as they are kissing their hellos, and I'm pretending not to see them, and instead I pour the milk. I open up the paper, it's the story of an actor who had died while he was drinking. It was no one I had heard of, and I'm turning to the horoscope and looking for the funnies when I'm feeling someone watching me, and so I raise my head. There's a woman on the outside looking inside. Does she see me? No, she does not really see me, cause she sees her own reflection. And I'm trying not to notice when she's hitching up her skirt, and while she's straightening her stockings, her hair is gotten wet. Continue through the morning as I'm listening to the bells of the cathedral. I am thinking of your voice and of the midnight picnic once upon a time before the rain began. I finish up my coffee and it's time to catch the train.
This dance is called Boogie Train Diner, choreographed by Barnfield and Michell Risley. It's a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance. There's one tag in this dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Forward, tap left behind and click fingers to side. Back, hitch, click fingers. Quarter turn right, side. Point, click fingers, look over right shoulder. Quarter turn left forward, back to 12. Quarter turn left, kick right out to side, click fingers. Section 2, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, chassé, say the quarter turn to right, facing 12. Section 3, cross, point, samba, cross, side, recover, cross, point, samba, quarter turn right, cross, quarter turn right, back, side, facing 3. Last section, cross, shuffle, quarter turn left, shuffle back, quarter turn left, side, chassé, kick, ball, change. Facing 9, and you start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. In this dance, there's an 8 count tag at the end of wall 7 facing 3 o'clock, starting with the right foot. Forward, drag your left, touch, back, drag your right, touch, step over, pivot half turn left, step over, pivot quarter turn left. Let me do the counts for the tag at the end of wall 7 facing 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the tag, you'll start wall A facing 6 o'clock. 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个八拍右脚开始，前后点 click fingers 到旁边，后右脚 hitch click fingers， 右转旁点 click fingers 往右看，左转前回到12点，左转右脚踢到旁边 click fingers。第二个八拍跨旁后旁跨，旁恰恰右转 sailor quarter turn 面对12点。第三个八拍跨点samba跨旁回跨点samba右转跨右转后旁面对3点。最后一个八拍跨恰恰左转以后后恰恰再一个左转旁恰恰踢并前面对9点。让我重新开始。这条我在第7个方向跳完之后，要加一个八拍的 tag， 右脚开始，前左脚拖点，后右脚拖点，前往左边后转，前左转。我来示范 tag 的拍子，面对3点钟，第7个方向跳完之后 ，with counts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8。跳完 tag 重新开始，面对6点钟。